In the world of finance, accuracy is a coveted trait. In 2023, one strategist stood out with Wall Street's most accurate stock market forecast. This luminary was none other than Tom Lee of Fundstrat, whose crystal ball seemed to hold a remarkably clear image of the year's financial landscape. Lee's forecast for the S&P 500 was not only precise but also notably optimistic. He predicted a robust 25% increase in the index, with it soaring to reach 4,785. To put this into perspective, this was very close to his initial target of 4,750, a goal many may have initially deemed ambitious. Yet, as the year unfolded, the accuracy of his prediction became increasingly evident, much to the delight and relief of investors who had heeded his advice. The impact of this accuracy on the market and investors was nothing short of profound. Confidence surged, as did investment strategies, with many choosing to follow Lee's bullish outlook. His accurate forecast served as a beacon, guiding investors through the tumultuous seas of the stock market, towards a horizon of promising returns. The significance of this accurate forecast extended beyond the immediate financial gains. It underscored the importance of informed, data-driven decision-making in investment strategies. It also highlighted the value of strategic foresight in navigating the often unpredictable currents of the stock market. As we stand at the end of a successful year, all eyes turn towards the future. What does our accurate forecaster predict for 2024? With a track record of precision, the forecast for 2024 comes with anticipation and high expectations. As we step into the new year, the predictions from renowned strategist Tom Lee are eagerly awaited by investors across the globe. According to Lee, the S&P 500 is set to have a solid run in 2024. He targets a potential upside of 9%, with the index expected to reach a staggering 5,200 points. This follows the remarkable accuracy of his predictions for 2023, where he foresaw the S&P 500 soaring by 25% and almost hitting his target of 4,750 points. But what's driving this optimistic forecast? Lee believes that a significant part of this expected growth is due to the easing of financial conditions. This includes potential interest rate cuts and a decrease in inflation, factors that traditionally stimulate economic activity and boost the stock market. But it's not just about broader financial conditions. Lee is also predicting a robust 11% growth in earnings per share in 2024, followed by an 8% growth in 2025. This is expected to be fueled by a cyclical recovery in profits, increased corporate capital expenditure, and a stronger global economy. As for where to put your money, Lee has some specific recommendations. He suggests focusing on small-cap stocks, which often offer higher potential returns due to their growth prospects. He also sees value in the financials, industrials, and technology sectors. These sectors are expected to benefit from the predicted economic conditions and offer attractive investment opportunities. The 2024 forecast paints a promising picture, but what factors contribute to this optimism? As we move forward into the new year, it's these key factors and predictions that investors will be keeping a close eye on. A forecast is not a shot in the dark. It is a calculated prediction based on various influencing factors. As we delve into the factors driving the optimistic forecast for 2024, we can't ignore the potential interest rate cuts. Interest rates play a vital role in the financial markets and the overall economy. When interest rates are lowered, borrowing costs go down, which can stimulate economic activity. This could provide a significant boost to the stock market, leading to the projected upside. Another key factor is the anticipated fall in inflation. Inflation erodes purchasing power and can impact corporate profits and consumer spending. A decrease in inflation is usually a positive sign for the economy and the stock market, and this is expected to be a significant driver in 2024. But that's not all. A cyclical recovery in profits is also on the horizon. As the economy moves through its natural cycle, periods of contraction are usually followed by periods of expansion. This expansion phase often leads to increased profits for businesses, which could further fuel stock market growth. Increased corporate capital expenditure, or CAPEX, is another factor that's expected to influence the 2024 forecast. When companies increase their CAPEX, it typically means they're investing in future growth. This can lead to increased productivity and profitability, which can be beneficial for the stock market. Finally, a stronger global economy is expected to play a significant role. Economic strength abroad can lead to increased demand for products and services from U.S. companies, potentially boosting their profits and stock prices. These factors set the stage for a potentially prosperous 2024, but what does this mean for investors? A positive forecast is good news, but the real question is, where should one invest in 2024? With the optimistic forecast for the following year, it's crucial to understand the key areas to focus on. The strategist, who accurately predicted the market trends of 2023, has some interesting recommendations for the year ahead. First on the list are small-cap stocks. These are the shares of companies with a smaller market capitalization, typically less than $2 billion. These stocks often offer higher potential returns, albeit with a higher risk. However, with a robust forecast for the year ahead, these stocks could offer attractive opportunities for the bold investor. The strategist also highlights several key sectors predicted to perform well in 2024. These include financials, industrials, and technology sectors. The financial sector, often seen as the backbone of the economy, is expected to thrive. With interest rates potentially falling and inflation easing, this sector could see significant growth. Companies in this sector, such as banks, insurance firms, and investment funds, could offer fruitful investment opportunities. Next up, the industrial sector. This sector includes companies involved in the production of goods used in construction and manufacturing. With a predicted stronger global economy and increased corporate capital expenditure, the industrial sector is poised for growth. And lastly, the technology sector. This sector has been the star performer over the past decade, and the trend doesn't seem to be slowing down. With the ongoing digital transformation, the rise of artificial intelligence, and the growth in cloud computing, tech stocks are expected to continue their upward trajectory. Remember, investment decisions should always be made in the context of your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. It's also important to diversify your portfolio to spread risk and maximize potential returns. As we prepare to welcome a new year, the strategist's accurate forecast for 2023 gives us confidence in his predictions for 2024. In the world of finance, foresight is a valuable tool. In 2023, one strategist's foresight proved incredibly accurate. And so we find ourselves at the tail end of our journey, a voyage through the past and into the future of finance, guided by the keen insights of a strategist with a proven track record. We've taken a deep dive into the 2023 forecast, a prediction that hit the mark with uncanny precision. This accuracy was no mere stroke of luck, but the result of astute observation and sharp analysis, a testament to the strategist's understanding of the financial world's intricate workings. Then we ventured forward into 2024, guided by the same strategist's predictions. The forecast is bright, with the S&P 500 expected to soar to new heights. This optimism is not unfounded, but rooted in a comprehensive understanding of the financial landscape and the various factors at play. Speaking of factors, we delved into the driving forces behind the 2024 forecast. The easing of financial conditions, potential interest rate cuts, falling inflation, and a cyclical recovery in profits are all set to contribute to the predicted market gains. The global economy's strength, bolstered by increased corporate capex, also plays a pivotal role. Lastly, we explored the investment recommendations for the coming year. The strategist suggests focusing on small-cap stocks and those in the financials, industrials, and technology sectors, providing a blueprint for those looking to navigate the financial seas in 2024. As we step into 2024, we do so with anticipation and optimism, guided by the foresight of a strategist whose accuracy in 2023 gives us confidence in the year ahead. What lies beyond the horizon? Only time will tell, but for now, we sail forward, equipped with the insights and predictions of a proven navigator. Thank you for joining us on this financial journey, as we navigated the past and charted a course for the future. We hope you found our deep dive into the 2023 and 2024 forecasts enlightening, and that the investment recommendations will serve as a useful guide. Remember, these predictions are not just fanciful speculation, but are grounded in meticulous analysis and astute observation. If you found this video helpful, we ask that you please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Your support helps us continue to bring you these valuable financial insights and predictions. Stay tuned for more. As we sail into the future, we'll continue to navigate the financial seas with the same accuracy and foresight that has guided us thus far. Until next time, here's to your financial success in 2024 and beyond.